Hi guys, my name is Erin and this is my partner Agnes. A lot of people have been hiking lately, but we are curious, are they doing it because they love it or just for the content? So today we are going to find out about it. Stay tuned.
Hello, can I borrow some of your time, maybe?
Yes.
So I just want to ask a few questions. Like, do you know that trend where people, youngsters, suddenly very interested in hiking mountains, even though they are beginners? Like, do you know that trend?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, have you ever joined that trend? Like, have you ever hike a mountain with maybe your friends, your family, or maybe your boyfriends, maybe?
Hello.
Oh. Do you think people who try that trend, do you think they are just FOMO, fear of missing out, or do you think they have like genuine interest in um, like yeah, hiking those mountains, like some kind of thing? Oh, so you think they are not FOMO? They do interested in hiking mountains?
Mungkin kalau yang udah hobi naik gunung itu nggak FOMO, tapi kalau cuman orang yang nggak pernah terus ikut-ikutan itu FOMO.
For you personally, if you join that trend, do you think it's because um, you want to like what is it, embrace nature, or because you just want to feed your Instagram, like wah, uh, I'm watching the sunrise in the mountains?
Menurutku eh, kalau enggak sih, soalnya kadang kita naik gunung tuh cuman buat refreshing otak gitu, buat lihat pemandangan.
Oh, so if you are the one of those hikers, you feel like you hike because you need to heal, to refresh yourself, like that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'm sorry for bothering your time. Bothering your time. Thank you for your attention. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask some questions?
Yeah, of course. Yes, of course.
Do you know about that trend where youngsters suddenly, for the past few years, interested in hiking mountains, even though they are just beginners? Do you know that trend?
Yeah, of course I know because I ever young, 30 years ago, because I'm now um, 59 years old. Uh, ini Indonesia aja ya, nggak apa-apa ya. Jadi kalau dulu pengalaman saya itu pertama sebetulnya nggak suka naik gunung, tapi karena banyak yang suka, terus ada temen, ada kebetulan ada cowok yang saya suka itu seneng naik gunung, jadi saya gimana ya, mancing-mancing supaya diajak gitu loh. Mancing-mancing supaya diajak sekali dua kali gitu, karena cowok itu, tapi lama-lama nggak harus ada cowok itu jadi seneng naik gunung. Jadi kalau saat ini misalnya anak-anak muda itu tiba-tiba seneng tren, itu wajar. Apalagi kan kalau sekarang kan apa-apa didokumentasikan, bikin video, bikin status, bikin foto. Kalau zaman dulu tuh foto itu nggak kayak sekarang. Jadi sekali naik gunung tuh fotonya ya paling cuma 2 gitu. Jadi itu bener-bener gayanya harus diatur gitu. Jadi kalau sekarang semakin banyak yang pengen naik gunung, mungkin tujuan pertamanya supaya bisa eksis di sosmed, terus nggak ketinggalan sama teman-teman yang lain, terus perkara lama-lama seneng itu ya itu hal yang wajar. Tapi kalau ada juga yang sudah sudah naik, sudah puas, sudah berhenti sampai di situ aja. Kalau pengalaman saya dulu seperti itu, jadi sebetulnya nggak suka tapi jadi suka, lama-lama keterusan gitu.
So in your experience, it was starting with a crush in high school maybe, and then it gradually turns into your hobby. Yes.
Yes. In the in high school. Yeah, the last year in high school, I start to interested in a boy, some boys.
Yes.
But ya begitulah akhirnya jadi suka naik gunung.
That's cool, I think. And considering your age right now, that is near 60 years old, would you think about going to hike again, maybe with your friends or maybe with your family?
Yeah, I still want someday climb Andong, at least Andong and Telomoyo. Yang terakhir itu 3 tahun yang lalu naik Andong dengan teman-teman. 5 tahun yang lalu terus diulang lagi 3 tahun yang lalu gitu ya. Kalau dulu itu naik Andong mungkin hanya butuh waktu 1 jam. Kalau sekarang karena sudah hampir 60 tahun ya kita butuh waktu 2 kali lipat karena sebentar-sebentar berhenti gitu.
It's energy and age, like aging problem, yeah.
Ya.
Okay, thank you for your time. I'm sorry if I'm disturbing your activity right now. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. Nice to meet you.
Hello, excuse me. May I ask you some questions?
Boleh. Ini jawabnya pakai bahasa Inggris atau pakai bahasa Indonesia?
Indonesia is okay. Okay, first question. Do you know about the trend where people hike mountains that has been popular recently?
Tahu.
How about you?
Tahu.
Oh, okay. Do you think people who join the trend are just FOMO or are they genuinely interested in hiking mountains?
Ya beberapa ada yang beneran suka naik gunung, tapi beberapa FOMO karena lagi tren.
I see.
Kebanyakan emang pada yang FOMO sih. Banyak yang FOMO sih.
Okay. Have you two ever joined the trend or like hiking mountains before?
Enggak, soalnya aku enggak FOMO.
Okay.
Nggak pernah soalnya males.
Okay. Is it because is it tiring or and hard like?
Karena emang akunya jarang olahraga, jadi kalau naik gunung mungkin bakal nggak kebiasa terus gampang capek.
I see.
Kalau aku kayaknya nggak kuat sama kaki aku deh.
Yes. I think that's all. Thank you for your time. Sorry if I caused you any inconvenience. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
Can I borrow some of your time? So, I just want to ask a few questions. Do you know that trend where youngsters suddenly interested in hiking mountains for the past few years?
Aku tahu itu. Tren itu.
Do you ever join that trend before?
Sebelumnya aku belum pernah muncak gitu, tapi aku pengen.
Oh, that's cool. So, do you think people who join that trend are FOMO or some of them genuinely have interest in hiking mountains?
Mungkin beberapa orang itu FOMO, tapi juga mungkin ada yang mengutamakan kesehatan buat muncak gitu atau melihat pemandangan yang bagus gitu.
That's a great opinion. If you ever have a chance to hike a mountain, do you think it's because you want to fit your Instagram or because of healthy reason like you just mentioned it.
Tentu aja. Bakal aku pamerin sih.
Okay. That's cool. Yeah, thank you for your time. I'm sorry if I'm bothering you. What is it? Buying snacks. Yeah. Thank you.
Iya, sama-sama.